Students, this is Bharti madam. Now we are going to do the problem on the admission of a partner. Now we are going to look into wherein the goodwill is bought in cash and it is withdrawn by the partners. Come to the problem. They have mentioned you Surekha and Sunita are the partners in a firm and their balance sheet as on 31/3/2017 is as follows. To the liabilities side, they have given you the creditors, general reserves, the capitals are given. Come to the asset side, they have given you the cash in bank, stock, furniture, debtors, buildings, and the investment. They have told you Kavita is admitted into the partnership on the following terms. They have still told you that Kavita is going to bring 60,000 as her capital and 20,000 as the goodwill in the form of cash. And whatever is the goodwill bought in cash is withdrawn by the old partners. They have still told you that furniture is to be depreciated by 10%. There is an appreciation of the buildings. Come to the next. They have told you the adjustment, that is the investments are to be revalued. Next, the provision for the doubtful debts, that is regarding the outstanding salary. Now we'll look into the problem, come to the solution. First you'll have to draw is the revaluation account. Draw the revaluation account for about 8 lines. Get the page folded, write debit, credit. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Next account, write partners capital account. Get the page folded and you know that there are 3 partners, Sunanda, Surekha and Kavita. Write debit, credit. Leave 8 lines. Write next. Start from the corner of the page. New balance sheet after admission as on 1/4/2017. Get the page folded. Write liabilities, amount, assets, amount. If you want, draw one more inner column so that all the calculations will be made in that particular column. So only these are the 3 accounts which you'll have to draw. Now come to your problem. They have given you the creditors, 1,50,000. Come to your liabilities side balance sheet, leave 4 lines or directly you can write creditors outer column 1,50,000. Come to the next. Come to your balance sheet. They have given you the general reserves. Come to your partner's capital credit side. Leave 1 line and write by general reserves. And they have told you in the problem that Surekha and Sunita are the equal partners. So distribute the general reserves equally. That will be 25,000 and 25,000. And draw a line in Kavita's column. Come to the next. They have given you the capital accounts of Surekha and Sunita. Come to your partner's capital credit, first line, write by balance brought down, 1,20,000 and 80,000. Next, come to the asset side in the problem. They have given you the cash at bank, 50,000. Come to your balance sheet, asset side, write cash at bank and write into bracket 50,000. Next, they have given you the stock. Come to your balance sheet, asset side, write stock, outer column 50,000. Come to the next, furniture 1,20,000. Come to your balance sheet, that is a new balance sheet, write furniture, inner column 1,20,000 because there is a depreciation. Next, they have given you the debtors 40,000. Come to your balance sheet, asset side, write debtors 40,000 and write the amount in the outer column. There is no adjustment for it. Come to the next, buildings 1 lakh. Come to your asset side, balance sheet, write buildings, inner column 1 lakh because there is a appreciation. Next, they have given you the investments. Come to your asset side, balance sheet, write investments in the inner column 40,000. Come to the next, they have given you the adjustment. Kavita is going to bring 60,000 as her capital. Now come to your partner's capital credit, write by cash account and write only in Kavita's column 60,000. Now come to the asset side, balance sheet, you are written 50,000, that is cash at bank in the inner column. In front of that you write plus 60,000. Next, again in the adjustment they have told you 20,000 is bought towards goodwill. So come to your partner's capital credit, write by goodwill and it should be distributed for old partners and they are the equal partners. So it will be 10,000, 10,000. Next, one more effect. Come to your balance sheet, asset side, you are written cash at bank in the inner column. You are written 50,000 plus 60,000 plus write it as 20,000. Come to the next. They have told you the goodwill is to be withdrawn and come to your partner's capital debit and write it as to bank goodwill withdrawn. So you have credited the goodwill as 10,000, 10,000. Come to the debit side, write it as to bank goodwill withdrawn and write it as 10,000, 10,000. Next, come to the next adjustment. They have told you depreciate furniture by 10%. Come to your asset side, balance sheet, you are written furniture in the inner column. Less depreciation 10%. 10% of 1,20,000 will be 12,000. Put in your calculator 1,20,000 into 10%. You get is 12,000. Put minus equals to, you get is 1,08,000 and write it in the outer column. Now there is a reduction in the value of the asset. Whenever the asset is reduced, you come to the debit side of the revaluation account, write to furniture. Whatever is the depreciation amount, whatever is the amount you have deducted, write only that amount and that is 12,000. Come to the next adjustment. Appreciate buildings by rupees 22,000. The word by is given to you and you'll have to take the full amount and come to your balance sheet, asset side, you are written buildings 1 lakh. For that you write add appreciation 22,000. In the outer column write it as 1,22,000. Now it is an increase in the asset. Come to your revaluation account credit side. Write buy buildings and write it as 22,000. Come to the next adjustment. They have told you investments are to be revalued at rupees 50,000. Come to your balance sheet, asset side. You have already written the investments in the inner column 40,000. Now it is to be revalued at 50,000. It means there is an increase of the investments of rupees 10,000. Write add appreciation 10,000 and put an arrow right in the outer column 50,000. Now it is an increase in the asset. When it is an increase in the asset, come to your revaluation account, credit side, write buy investments 10,000. Come to the next. They have told you provide 2,000 for outstanding salary. And outstanding salary is a liability for you. Increase in the liability will come to the debit side of the revaluation account. Come to your revaluation account debit side, write to outstanding salary 2,000. Come to your liability side balance sheet, write outstanding salary 2,000 in the outer column. Now, first close your revaluation account. Now the credit side is heavier. Write it as 32,000. Write the same to the debit side. And you get the difference of 18,000. Write it as two old partners capital account. Next, underline it. Below that you write Surekha. Next line Sunita. And both are the equal partners. So divided by 2. You get is 9,000 and 9,000. Now there is a revaluation profit or the partner's capital is returned to the debit side. So come to your partner's capital credit side now. Write it as by revaluation profit 9,000, 9,000. Now close your partner's capital account. Surekha total is 1,64,000. Sunita total is 1,24,000 and Kavita it is 60,000. Write the same to the debit side and minus it and you get is for Surekha 1,54,000, Sunita 1,14,000 and Kavita as it is 60,000. Write it as balance carried down. Now come to your balance sheet liabilities side. Write capital accounts. Underline it. Below that you write Surekha 1,54,000. Sunita 1,14,000. Kavita 60,000. If you want, you can write it in the inner column, add all, write in the outer column, or you can directly write it in the outer column. And now we will close the balance sheet. The total of the liabilities side of the balance sheet is 4,80,000. Even close the asset side and total is 4,80,000. Before that, students, cash at bank is there. Total it 50,000 plus 60,000 plus goodwill bought in 20,000 and minus goodwill withdrawn. See, the net figure you get is 1,10,000. Write it in the outer column and the asset side will be total 4,80,000. So that's all about the problem. If you have any difficulties, you can put it in the comment box.